Take a ride in the 2024 RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime offers high-end hybrid technology with the SUV platform. With the technology, space, and overall good looks, it's no surprise this hybrid SUV is turning heads. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.